You want to build Godot games faster without spending a dime? Stick around, I'm counting down the top 3 assets, including powerful plugins, massive art packs, and workflow savers that you need to know about to supercharge your next project. 1. Kenny assets. First up, we have the legendary Kenny assets. If you've been around gamedev for more than a week, you probably already stumbled across these. Kenny offers a massive collection of 2D sprites, 3D models, UI elements, and sound effects. Everything from pixel art to clean vector UI to low poly 3D is in here. What makes Kenny assets truly great is the consistency across packs and the CC0 license, which means you can literally use them however you want, even commercially. Whether you're prototyping or finishing a full game, Kenny's stuff is a godsend. You can grab the full packs from kenny.nl or search for Kenny directly in the Godot assets library. 2. Godot Dialogue Manager. If your game has any kind of a dialogue, quests, or branching narrative, you will want to check out the Godot Dialogue Manager. It's a node-based system that lets you build and manage conversations visually inside the editor. It handles variables, signals, translations, all the work made by Nathan Ho. It's now maintained by the community and continues to improve. It's a massive time saver and way easier than typing to code all the logic yourself. You can find it in the assets library or in GitHub under the Dialogic engine. 3. GDQuest Godot Steering AI Framework. Need smarter NPCs or more dynamic movements? The Steering AI framework from GDQuest has you covered. It gives you pre-built behaviors like seek, flee, arrive, and wander, so you can make characters that move intelligently without writing complex AI from scratch. It's perfect for top-down games, action RPGs, or any games that needs believable character motion. And of course, it's open source and well documented, available for free on GitHub. Just search for Godot Steering AI Framework GDQuest. 4. LDTK plus Importer plugin. If the built-in tilemap editor isn't cutting it, try LDTK, the Level Designer Toolkit. It's a modern 2D level editor built for speed and flexibility. Auto-tiling, layers, entities, custom properties, and the Godot Importer plugin brings everything into your project seamlessly. It's especially great for managing large levels or games with complex style logic. You can download LDTK from ldtk.io and get the importer from the assets library or GitHub. 5. Material Maker. Want high quality PBR materials but don't want to write shader code? Material Maker is a free open source tool that works a lot like Substance Designer, but it's lighter, simpler, and exports directly into Godot's shader format. It's all node based and super powerful for generating wood, metal, stone, and more. It's great for both 2D and 3D projects, especially if you are into stylized or procedural textures. You can grab it from the materialmaker.org or itch.io. 6. Kailusberg Low Poly Assets. For those working in 3D, Kailusberg offers some beautiful low poly assets. Think natural packs, props, and stylized characters. The aesthetic is clean, consistent, and works really well with games going for that low poly vibe. Most assets are available as pay what you want, including free, so they are accessible to everyone. Check out kailusberg.com/assets or his itch.io page. 7. Godot Git plugin. Version control is a lifesaver, and with the official Godot Git plugin, you don't even need to leave the editor. It lets you commit, push, pull, and check diffs directly inside Godot. It's incredibly useful for solo developers and teams alike, especially to avoid the heartbreak of accidentally losing work. Install it from the assets library by searching for Git. 8. Jolt Physics for Godot. If you're making a 3D game and need better performance or more stable physics than Godot's built-in options, check out Jolt Physics. It's a drop-in replacement for Godot Physics or Bullet, and it's way faster, especially for scenes with lots of rigid bodies. Great for action-heavy or physics-driven games that need more oomph. Find it in the assets library or on GitHub under Godot Jolt. 9. Scatter plugin. Need to populate a 3D big scene with rockets, trees, or props? The Scatter plugin can save you hours. It lets you paint objects into the scene based on rules like scope, masks, or density, just like freehand painting in Unity or Unreal. Perfect for open world or natural heavy games. You will find it on GitHub or the assets library under Scatter. 10. OpenGameArt.org and freesound.org. Last but definitely not least, we have two massive libraries, OpenGameArt.org and freesound.org. OpenGameArt is packaged with sprites, tilesets, 3D models, and even UI assets, while freesound is a goldmine for sound effects and ambient audio. They are community-driven, so styles vary, but they are perfect for finding that one assets your other packs are missing. Just make sure to check the license on each asset. Many are CC0, but some requires attribution. I used Godot for 2 years. Watch this video to know my story with Godot.